Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and hope you enjoyed my yesterday's analysis. I have explained you that I will be actually going for a buy and Nifty and Bank Nifty because both of them are looking very, very good to me. The reason also I gave you that Nifty has made a double bottom, right? And today, the opening today that happened was open equal to low. If you have a look at Nifty, Nifty has given open equal to low and the low did not get broken. Almost like I mean, the entire day the low was not broken, but let me show you the shorter time frame. If you see here, the low was maintained even after half an hour, right? The second candle also didn't break the low and the momentum continued the entire day. And I would say we will also just go and see what contributed. So one statement, me and Pankaj were discussing in the morning when we were doing live trading, that when market falls, what corrects in the first place is the mid cap and the small cap. Similarly, when market bounces back, what bounces back fast? It is the mid cap and the small cap. And I'm going to show you all the sectors and show you exactly. So mid cap, small cap, and the metal sector, all of them have shown good recovery today. So this is Nifty Media, which has recovered good nicely today. This is PSU Bank. This is metal sector. Metal sector, which started falling down, has just shown a tiny bit of recovery. A little support from metal sector can pull Nifty up that have been reinforcing time and again. This is reality. Mid cap, have a look at mid cap. What a beautiful, powerful open equal to low recovery. Then small cap is also recovered almost by 3%, 3.5%. IT recovered by 3%. Like have a look at these two candles, almost similar to the Nifty's candle and today's gap up opening, and then it continued further. Similarly, mid cap, Nifty mid cap has shown very powerful, strong candle. Nifty Energy, CPSC, CNX 500, Nifty 500 has also shown a good movement. It includes small cap, mid cap, large cap, and Nifty 550 for sure. Then each and every sector, if you have a look at it, all the sectors are positive today, right? So is it indicating that market is going to recover from here? I can't say that as of now because there are no clear sign as of now. If I just put the Nifty for you, so Nifty is still below its trend line, way, way below the trend line. If you notice, if I draw the current trend line, this is how it is, and it is still below the current trend line, right? Nifty is still not broken this current trend line. So the first resistance that I'm expecting Nifty to experience will be somewhere around 15,900 or 15,868 to be more precise, where it's going to hit this trend line. So 15,880 or 15,890 would be more precise resistance to Nifty. If that resistance is broken, then this gap need to be filled up. So so far Nifty looks promising to me, and what I want to do is I want to go through the option chain and see what exactly is happening in the Nifty's option chain. So this is current expiry. Now I really want you people to pay attention and have a look at what happened, what sign dominates here. Is there a plus sign or a minus sign? All of them have minus sign, right? This indicates unwinding happening at all the levels. Why is this unwinding happening? Because call writers are running to cover themselves. Those who have created the barrier, if you go and watch my yesterday's video, I have talked about that there is in the money call writing happening, and those call writers have to run away. Why? Because they can't bear so much of losses, so they have run away. Not only that, 15,800 there is call unwinding, 15,850 there is call unwinding, right? So the option chain is also indicating exactly the same stance. It tells us that Nifty may be going up till about 15,850 by this expiry. If I go back and see what is happening on the put side, there has been huge put writing that has happened today. That means the base has been formed very solidly for Nifty. I don't know how many of you watched my yesterday's video. I have spoken about only 3 stocks, just 3 stocks. If you remember, Just please note, write them down. I have spoken about India Mart, right? This stock was not showing any sign of recovery, right? This stock was falling down continuously for many days. But I have predicted that this stock is going to be on my buy list, and I will buy whenever a 15 minutes candle is not going to be broken. So right after 9:45, the stock gave an entry to us. And look at it, full 10% move in a single day. So this is India Mart. Then I have given 𝐼𝐻𝐾𝐬𝐻 Laboratories. I have given 𝐼𝐻𝐾𝐬𝐻 Laboratories. Have a look at 𝐼𝐻𝐾𝐬𝐻 Laboratories. Our buy value was 885. It made a high of 898. It's a huge amount of money if you translate into futures, if you translate it into options. And even otherwise, there is about 14, 13, 14 points that one is getting straight away. Then the third stock that I had given was Apollo Hospitals. I think the third stock was Apollo Hospital, which also made a high of 3870. Apollo Hospital also made a high of 3870. In fact, we were carried forward the options of this. We have carried forward with Britannia's call option, Britannia Industries call option, which gave us a very, very beautiful move. See here, from here, 3388 to a 3471, almost like 90 points move it has given today. Then we were carrying forward ITC's call option. Have a look at ITC today. It has given a very, very beautiful move, breakout. So now I have discussed Nifty. Nifty looks pretty solid to me. My point where Nifty can be, expiring will be somewhere around 15,850. Now the option chain has changed, right? Remember that option chain has changed. Even see here, now there is in the money put writing. I've been insisting on go and read what is happening in the money. So today there is in the money put writing happening here. In the money call writing, call is unwinding. Again, notice here, all in the money call options have unwinded, right? Option writers have run away. And here there is put writing in the money. That means 15,700 has become now a base, right? But by looking at call unwinding, I can feel that 1585, 850 could be a good point. And as I drew for you the trend line, that also indicated that expiry could be around 15,850 or 880. So this is how Nifty is, and then I'm going to go to the Bank Nifty, and then we will talk about some stocks. So whenever I give you stocks, I do a lot of research, a lot of analysis, and then after that, I give you. So today, Bank Nifty has broken the trend line for sure. It has broken the trend line. It's at least, the month, 3 weeks old trend line, Bank Nifty for sure has broken. And now what could be expected in Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty gave very, very beautiful moves today. I will show you here. This is how Bank Nifty looks. I have traded twice in this particular, you know, in this particular stock. So in this particular instrument, the first what I did was I bought call option at this place, 33325. When it crossed this value, I entered into the call option. I booked some profit, and then when this low was broken, when this triple, almost like double top was made, then I bought put option and I booked about 20-30 points here. So I'm just quickly going to show you the order book. Very small quantity, because I was not on the seat, so I was somewhere out. So whatever I could do with my phone, I did that. So this is the ITC call that I was holding that I exited. I entered call option at 399 and exited at 428. Then again entered at 439, exited at 465, almost like whatever points. And then I bought put option at 147 and exited at 171.98. So these are the trades that some small simple trades that I did, and Bank Nifty gave both movement in both the directions. So now how does Bank Nifty look? Like, let's just also go through the option chain of Bank Nifty and try to figure out from there what could be the expiry range. Again, if you have a look at it, the huge amount of call unwinding that has happened. Every counter, if you see here, from here to here, there has been huge unwinding that took place in the Bank Nifty, and there has been huge put writing that has happened until here. In the money, put writing is also happening. So Bank Nifty is forming the base very strongly at this point of time, and we can expect some more good movement, good move up in, in a day or two. But what could be the expiry range? Expiry range could be around 33,500 or so. This is where, see here, huge call writing happening at this level today itself. So this kind of is a boundary. So 33,500 could be an expiry range for Bank Nifty. Now I have some stocks on my radar and I'm going to be talking about them, and let me just discuss them one by one. So the first stock that I have on my radar is, and whatever I'm giving you after a huge amount of research backed by a lot of data. So the first stock that I have on my radar is Sun TV. So this is how Sun TV looks. It has broken its past barrier, and if you have a look at it, it has formed a double bottom. Just have a look at it. It has formed a double bottom. One bottom, second bottom, and this is how the neckline is. Today it's broken the neckline, right? Today it has broken the neckline. So this is a place, in case it gives an entry tomorrow above this place, which is 453, we have a good entry to get into Sun TV. So this is my first stock. Like, have a look at the clear double bottom. Then the second stock that I have on my radar is Lupin, right? Lupin we gave today as well. And tomorrow again, it's looking good. Almost the similar structure as we had for Sun TV, forming a broad double bottom base. And then above 635 or 636, we can definitely take an entry, and the target will be about 650. Our stop loss could be about 620 or so. So that is my second stock today. The third stock that I have on my radar is JSW Steel. Similar structure, because all of the stocks are bottomed out. So there is no difference in the structure, and hence our entry is going to be at 583, and 10 points you can definitely expect. If it goes above 593, 594, then a target of 600 can definitely be expected in JSW Steel. So that's my third stock. And the next stock that I have on my radar is Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor, we gave it yesterday itself, and today it gave a very, very beautiful move breakout, 2710. So our buying is going to come above 2710 only, for a target of about this place, which is about 30 points, 30, 40 points we can definitely expect. And if that is crossed, we can expect 2783. This is how Eicher Motor will be. So I have given you 4 stocks as of now: Sun TV, JSW Steel, Lupin, Eicher Motor. I'll just give you one last stock, which is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland looks to be good. It's been building up. Like, there is this day when the reversal came, then gap up opening, then gap up opening. So where can we expect a buying opportunity? Above 139. From 139 to about 145 could be our target, and above 145 we can expect another 2-3 points in case it can manage to cross 145. And the last stock that I'm going to give you is Emphasis. Emphasis is going to be my last stock. So this is how Emphasis looks like. Yesterday it had a reversal. If you have not watched my video on Doji, I'll show you. You must watch it to understand how you must watch this video, which talks about how reversal in stocks index happens, and how do you identify that the stock is ready to reverse from here. So this is a video you must watch. It will be a great learning process, and please, you can understand a lot by understanding this video. And the stock that I'm giving you right now is actually a reversal stock. Yesterday reversal happened, today there was a gap of opening, and how it moved today showed a very, very beautiful stance of the stock, and it looks to be heading up. So what I'm expecting, above 2300 we will have a buying, and our target could be 2400 for sure. If 2400 is crossed, we can look for a target of 2440 and then 2500. So those are going to be my target for emphasis. So keep watching, keep learning about stock market. My only objective here is to teach you people, train you people, explain you people some finer nuances of the market. If you like my work, if you like my content on my Telegram channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and ask your friends to also to join us for the live trading. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.